Hey everyone, I'd like you to meet Joe. He's going to talk about how RightTrack helped out him and his family. Come see us today at Vern Eide Motorcars or give us a call at 605-444-6700.
Well, when I was younger, I wasn't very good with my credit. My dad bought a car through Becky. They were friends or whatever, and so I spoke with her, and she was like, well, your credit isn't very great, but we have the RightTrack program. That's a 90-day program we can put you through, and it'll help build up your credit. By the end of the 90 days, my credit score jumped almost 100 points. And so then I was able to go back into Becky and get a nice family vehicle, a nice van for our family. So it worked out really well for us. I worked with some other companies that were supposed to do some credit repair and everything like that, and it was costing me like $100 a month, and it was a really slow-moving process. And it cost me nothing to go through the RightTrack program. It's definitely fast, fun, and easy. Yeah, and it helped me a lot, and I know it could help a lot of people out.